Keblai Pibaro Shakatup Kubor Jungi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kesengi kilong. Temu ke sorkar ban pinkin ria iki besyong hatem metor yau maulong syaki jaka syong jaka sa babit babiang kat kum kilinti jangkaan. Temu ke Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association ban kintiria ke jengele akai penher lingsun. Hashwa ke election arjar arpulai dawa ke HANM ban chnaya ke surok na umsning syamawati. Sedang kejing raki kelingkuk senem bandru pau jangka sabiu Januari bat kentu ke High Court ia kiklik nong sensyar ban ai jaka thang beriu ia kitu kipa umdan jaka. Bat mentangin pa syiki khubor bakam banyak. Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma menta kesngi ulai thu baka sorkar ka don kejing temu ban pinkin ria ia baro kitu ki basyang basa hathem metor yau maulong da kabale kat kum ki kendon jangkaan. Habakren heki nong thok kot kubor, Menteri Rangba ulai thu baka sorkar kan penken ria ya kitu ki basyong ha kate ke jaka syaki ying ki balashna kerpang na kabenta jongki. Uloong baka ni ke jing penken ria kamut ban pensyong iki surok, Henry ban pensyong pensa ha ki jaka ki babit babiang jongki tenat sorkar bapher.
In terms of the lease that has been signed with the CM of Milliam. Now once that happens, when the legal documentation is there, the legally people who are government employees are being asked to go to the government, residential places which are being provided to them. So it's not that people are going to be simply left on the streets. So the people who are government employees who've been working with municipal or other departments who are staying in that area will be asked to shift to the official residential complexes of those departments. So it is being made to look as if everybody is going to be just simply thrown out. Well, that's not correct. So one has to understand first that the legal documents of the papers are with the government. So therefore, whoever is staying there has to be in the terms of what the government decides. Number two is the fact that all the legal and employees of the departments, they will be asked to shift to the official residences. And number three, the Urban Affairs Department has been asked to find an amicable way in which we'll be able to find all the others who are not legally settled out there to be shifted or to be put somewhere else, or whatever proper way of ensuring that a solution can be reached to. So therefore, it's not proper to mix all the aspects into one and make it look as if there's one issue. There are multiple issues, and we will handle each one of them in a very, very legal manner. That's my first point. Second point is that we have made it very clear, whoever moves any status quo or gives any order or anything, we respect the stand that different commissions may have. We will challenge that in the court, as I said. So once we go to High Court or Higher Court, Division Bench or Supreme Court, we will take up the matter and we will challenge it. As I said, we are very clear on the stand of the government, and as I said, it's an issue that has been pending too long, and we need to find a solution to this issue also. May not be the most simplest solution, but we will work towards finding an amicable solution to this issue also.
Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association minta kesngi kalai thu bakani ka kinhon ka don ka jingtmu ban pen kieu ye ka jingele akai pen her lingsun ha ka jilla. Habakren haki nong thok kot khubor President Jongkani ka association uba Desmond Nongklau ulai thu bahang ni ka khasi jantia ki don bon teli ki jaka bala ban pelong ye ki jingele akai pen her lingsun kum ka paragliding ballooning bat ki wei. Uloong bakum kini ki jingele akai kin kring ru ikinong jongok kai perthai shekini ki jaka jongkari khasi bat jantia.
Ni terkhat ban lek tang ka paragliding nang di sidin pengila ban lek ki ballooning ngila ban lek ki skydiving ki hang gliding untuk charter ki sports pada ki aero sports kan ki tentang ikut ban promote ikini ki jingla kai apa kami kala jogi di sisian kalawan ki paragliding ki aero sports ta kemot ka tourism automatically kalang ki susu kan di tentang kum ki jaka kum ki nongjrong ibri kum ju hamle than situ kim kampat da paunam le jinglet jogi kala long viral ibri matabar khai ku amle nongjrong di kanono jaka pangile ni islang ban fly ni islang ban hair ki jaka takamo to automatically ka tourism ke mutu ko area kala demand ke kala iyo di mata na ki biang ki snong bod ki la khat ini ta ali se on pe ki jaka jongi ki jaka kum stage po maulanda sal degree situ ru ki biang ha ki jaka ban la paragliding te kan nyarap sibun ke ikili ki khna kam dan jam ki kwa ban training min nyarap ki nam ta training te la sha ski ki adap kini ki course yung ki training courses ki ala ban kamai ya ka jak po kan injala ka tu kan hakaju ka po hakasnong la jong itu ki khna snong ban ka tu snong ile ekni ka paragliding kam automatically tourism ko ke area ka lakiu kan ikum kini manta ikili ki ba ese ta kadaw long ngaru ngadon lang dekat berki ban kiu ya ka sport ko ka jaka yang ijan ka hills ki lembah kan ni ka jingdon kan ni ka press conference kan kila itu ikini ki pilot kini automatically kila ala ban kiu nang ni silian kan ya sports ba de ko ka snong ki kontak itu ala ban kontak ikini kila ban pe ki sports ba kila kini kila diving river diving ilu kila scuba diving ibun ki jet sports ba ki ju ya le kunta long tapi la ban pintau nang ni kini ru kila kiu ke jaka yang ki as it is janche is really beautiful ibun ki jaka ku betana tana ki garo hills ibun ki jaka betana ti hakata kan ngrim ngiyam ke ban kentiu ya ka tourism lembaki sports kejungi
Kejingle menti jong sorkar jelaya ke surok no umsning syamauhati bat hadu umsiang ke berjalan kumba prapo kilometer bat kebel pelong ya ke neutrep achik national movement mawati circle ban khot de kejingelang patba hamadan yelek kai jata henry ki patba nakashnong kate kathan kim shim lawan shimbenta bat kebel pelong ya ke HANM ban pinsange no ya kate kejingelang Habakren Chikila Pathai Kubor Uba Pateng Mirsing President Kanyau Trep Achik National Movement Naribhoy District Ulakan Ting E Bakatei Kadai Kakambut Tu Jong Urang Bashnong Karaitong Uba Enel Warplang Kabalapelong Yaki Patba Ban Nget Jau Ban Wan Chakatei Kajinyalang Henry Kanyau Trep Achik National Movement kan Shong Klikti kan selit yakendu iu menteri ketenat PWD ke Sorkar Jela bat bendawaru ban pentrei no ya katei ke surok shwa ke election arjar arpulai hakaban IT ru da kedor khas haga jinglit kendu iu loong utei unong yalam
to nagaleng jungi ka seng SNM Ribhoy district nangkat baga jingdon lang ka SNM mawati zun haga ga singi haga jing sisya nagaleng jungi ka seng ila khot ya ka jingelang pajba hangne hapo madan jata henry kabangi sosi pat kalong ba ki pajba kim syam lawan chim benta haga bedai ba ga jing khot ka jongi ngimla bantip yo lese gadai gadau naga jing penmi got kubor ka jong uba onel ubadai urang ba snong jong ka raktong namar ki pajba kim suthu ya kata ka jing ke ya kata ka jing sokhya ka bedai ba ne surok jong gadai ka mau hati henry nagaleng ka seng bat kirong ba snong ki balai don lang bat ngi ha ka singi ngila sim nakawai karai bat kawai ka sur ka ba nginom du mensim wat la ki pajba kim suthu kia kata gajing ka jong surok haba kia kendu namar gajing snew ka jong henry ngila sim kawai garai kaba ngin salek bu naka memorandum sa PWD minister hagi ni tayo ki banwan bat ngikwa ban penpau gajing susi nagaleng kaseng ba balai pai ba jong kadong ba kathany mau hati kim suthu ya gajing ba gajing khia kaba ki kendu aman gasngi ka bakiya lengbau new surok ni nagaleng kaseng nginom du mensim moy wat laki pajba kimon ai jing kersan henry ka ka ba ngila thmu nakmanta ka jingba jong ka imlang ka salang jong ka dong mau hati nginia chakmat da ka bangin salibu ya ka memorandum sa PWD minister hadu bangin tertib ba hadu bangin dayoi ba ka sorkar kan senang no ban pentrai yaw ne surok ngin sa song thai lemda ngim yoi ya ka jing senang ka jong ni surok bakin pentrai nagaleng ka seng bat kirang ba snong ki baidon lang bat ngi hakne kapor nga tharai bangin nom song than ngin ap hadu kata kapor ka bangin yo naga jingsai naka sorkar kumbangi ong ba nginom senya chu ki MLA ki bangila yo la kanongut ki MLA hanrei nyu i baga surok kane kumju si kumju dei naga daw ngila ya syakmat ban sim ya kane ke isu ka bedei ba ne surok ba ngikwa baga sorkar kan pentraino mardor kumbangila dawa nadu umsning syadu umsiang baga sorkar kadai pentraino aswa kane ke election arhajar arpulai kane kadai ka
Hukum ke Ying Bishar Meghalaya High Court ikis im ki hima bat nong senchar shnong bekidei ban ai ke jaka thang briu na kebenta gitu ki ba omdon jaka. Ke Ying Bishar Meghalaya High Court kalapin mi yakni ke hukum hadin bakashnong ke sengkhasi bat kawai ni ki balang Kristan kilaya kiu ying li ying saw na kadaw ba yakni ban kamtrai ya kawai ke jaka hamau khan pasiar hapok ke hima melim. Yakni layathu do way ni kinong lum jingtip RTI activist uba Despar Singh Rani. Habakren hekinong thok kot kubor uba rani ulai thu bana ka jinglum jingtip jongu las ngau thu bana ka liang kinong kam ya ka tai ka jaka kim shim lala ban pin shisha ya ka jinglong trai jangki lingba ki durler ki jongki haba ya dei bat kani ka Ying Bishar jangka Court of Executive Judicial Magistrate bat kumjuru na ka liang jong sim ka hima kila kentui kinong kam jaka bekidei banwan shaka jingisuk paramaki
Akarteng jong seng kum sekretari tika snong badai kapan phaya i kumiriu shimet tagamut klan mention ye kum sekretari jong kasengasi kamut la shutho be hai kong penun te ini kong penun iong ba gani ga chithi hani ge report ka don bar khoi ne dai fikwa ngan ai dia te kani chithi kalong ka ba mla ban piang na kasengasi ka kanta ini chithi namar ba phi klan na chithi address changa kum sekretari dai phi address changa kum iriu shimet ti halak ni sti kla pelong no ya ka dia ka snong ban lum no ga dawa pelun ha khatwei tarik banai ban kong ar hajar puwe ti ka no ga dawa pelun baro ka lewan lut ti ka da ni ka dawa pelun da ga wei ka sur kla rai ba ka snong ka no mai jakathang ya ka ne ka sengasi na ki daw ba pen khen ba kla li si mo puat klem ka jing up ya ka jing ra jong snong Tikani karai jonga do basnong kadon ngene bro khoi karai kala basnong kala ai hukum ro ya gene kasenga si ba pidei ban lek phut noi tu mo put hapo shibnai namar kani ke jaka kadei kadaka jo basnong bala ju tip kum lom jing bet tip snong nai basan arhwe kani orda dusi kami arsan tarik nai basan arhaja arhwe kablo hukum yo video ban kondok spot inquiry ya kati kini jaka hangti hapo mau khar pasir tikar kom kani ka inspection ya prathadik banai basan arja kuwe kani inspection hne ada don ka order hne bahadian le inspect ya kini jaka hangti lasem ba kati jaka Om somla ban pinsya bagade ke jaka jungno namar ba nagalang rasnong ro kamdon ko rasla ti nagalang ga balang tholik ro kamora itai kur sla ban pinsya ba dakseng ga siru kam simla don ko don sla ti habedei ba kani ko kani ka spot inquiry na video kasyu hukum ya rum ba snong ba lakno no katkum ga sti ga banangkong pidei ban thawla no ban ai jaka thangbriu ya kini ki beriu banangkam langdon hakanem tarai hagalama jong
ya ka jing pen bet port bala clear do ba prestun tin song sembut menteri rangba kum chairman na ka regional committee ka Ribhoi district jong ka Meghalaya bat jong ka Assam bala clear do Pijus Hazarika menteri ka sarkar Assam kam shimla ai jing hun satya shaka seng ki samla pule ka Garo Students Union JSU Ribhoi regional unit Katai kaseng ki samla puli nagaro kalami syakmat haka khatwei turik risau ban penpau bakam hun satya ya katai ka benta balatip kumka yeshim bat kaya ai give and take policy Henry kala keno bet baka e ka badai jong ka Meghalaya kan let bet sha Meghalaya claim da kwa ne kam wat tang shi in shiru ka kendau jong ka Assam Bat ya kini ke JSU kalapin ipat ba ya ke jing renti da ka bara plakat bat ki kentin pinrem Kaladawa ye ki bor bahalor ban penbet nyok mardor ya kani kenrum kenram hakaput da kelinti ka badai kat kum ki kot kisla bat ki map badai hok jong gajela ki belong ki sakhi ba shai kedar.
Regarding this matter, through on behalf of Garo Student Union, we would like to demand to issue or to resolve this border issue as fast as quickly, because we the local residents starting out here, we are facing very difficulty because this land it belongs to Meghalaya, but the Assam counterpart they are claiming is Assam. So it's very difficult for us also, and the local people also, and they are facing very difficulty in going for the market area also. Like I want to request our government of Meghalaya, Sir Kondrak Sama, to please come and visit the site first, the area which belongs to Meghalaya, so he can see the area, the disputed area between Meghalaya and Assam. It falls under whom category? Because every officers they used to come here, every minister they used to come. Only they don't know the border exactly the border area where is it held. So I request the government of Meghalaya to come forward and do something for the local people to resolve final immediately more, so that our local people can stay freely and not in fear. Like Assam people might come, they're capturing this plot of land, they're encroaching each and every day. So I request even the Assam counterpart also to look into the matter as seriously more. Thank you.
Kumshibanta ka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav and Legal Services Week na Kalyanga District Legal Services Authority West Jaintia Hills ringkat ka jingi Trelang bat ka Office u Superintendent of Police bat ka Tanat Trekam District Child Protection Officer District Child Protection Unit West Jaintia Hills District hinni ka sngi ka lapelong ya ka International Day of Girl Child ka bahap hapok ka Pand India Awareness and Outreach Hajan Jawai Police Station. Yakani ka International Day of Girl Child la pelong kum shibenta ban pinskau tho patba ya ka hok jangki khna ha ka imlang salang kum ju ru iki an ba ai jingeda yaki kiriu shemphang ba ai jing kren pinchai ha kani ka jingalam kunthup ka District Child Protection Unit kong M Maulong OC ka Jawai Police u BB Marak u Advocate D Lamare bat ka SI ka I Kharprant Women Police
te wahada upot bopoi uwengi yaitu ke yang ki hakajing chak leben yang kepli kena wasan terus nem ngasang si owa em kai ti kilong yong long sem le tang na ka daw yang ke spa le ne 15,000 ki de hon ki da ye te hok yang kepli tai kena ngasang si yo bun ki jing jawa mana dep ki ekes mana thong bisa ki bro ki penbe ki da poisa ta thau bun sin ki bro kulagi te jing klam yang ki iki wa yosuk yertai pisa yang tahu lechiliang halar udah dable ite kamsi sang pha pai ba le mk ginu ko mk te ada nunu pun beki hakate ga liang paisa ponan de sama moho ye beja wato yiki kajing le yang phi kajing chlur yang phi ulai jakman ye pli ka tai khna godang khian bodo saban ben hotau bru le ne ka tai bru ki yo ki i hok yang ki Oste kate bitit ngada ong boy teni ke case boy yute ucha no cha ban ben ya ma le ne tu chenrang wokso boy tai khna dute don hi cha ben stom I gai ken thai de em go ong a I ken thai de la jiao le gai ti kam le im cha ben stom mi woto ye ki ni ga an lai ko ka di chenrang e ute ule kam si ite cha ben stom ngau ong I phi keni ga an kam lai chliang go la jia uta nong le si la jia chenrang la jia ken thai le Kaan man kejo ye pen arliang.
Simbenta laki long hakinu kiliang. Lada ke kena kaman benle ya kanu ka kam lagi ya kanu ka jingpen I jongno kala ban ye simbenta lani kala ban ong bang ngam ban ong em ye kita ki jingpen bo jongno. Nang tapat mentangan keren ye ki rights of a girl child kembali te bakadika sri ke pangjung ki kentai Dimentangin keren ya ka rights of a child, rights against female particide ma, lani kata ka jingtip, lan kejing penyap no ikun kan thai, kat badang dan hapok ka kapok jang ka kunia. laju I bonsin haki hangli pori India jungi ba kiwe ki jat benri kim ju khamban ni ki kun kan thai takadau la ai lakhang persya daka sarkar ba ombet bantep ya ka jinglong kan thai le ni ka jinglong shenrang dandu ba iklung idang dan happo jang ka kania takadau lakhang persya
Kejaka Aijing Hikai ye kiba persyang banlong reuniam ye kebeletip kum ke Savio Generate Maula Shillong minta kesngi kala pelong ye kejing sedang ya ke lek kemen lek snobha bashis nem kinthi bandrakhe ya kejing dap ndripos nem jongka ke Savio Generate ke belong ke wei ni kikper sara na kebenta ki samla ye kibalapin kre na kebenta banlong reuniam hapo kejing slok jong ke seng solutions of Don Bosco Kini kejing rakhi kelas dang da kedwai ke pirat bat kejing penbenta da kemas bekut bat penbot pat sara ke bapin hair ya kalama jong kini kejaka ai jing hikai ya kejing rakhi ya kelingkhu snem bandriu pau jong Savio Generate en penkut leshim snem hakash pau turik urisau arjar arpuar ya kini kejing rakhi lingkhu snem lapathai khubor shik saul air jong ke perthai da katem kaput karwai ke siau bat lingba ke Savio Generate ban
Then trying to read more about the missionaries here in the Northeast. Read more about Don Bosco, know more about Don Bosco, read more about Dominic Savio, ask Dominic Savio to intercede all of us, to pray for many young people in the world. Lakhs of young people are not getting this opportunity as you have now. So many of them. And therefore you need to pray for many young people in the world who are suffering. And therefore when you pray for them, definitely one day you'll say, yes, I want to be a missionary. I want to go out from this place and go wherever I'll be sent by the Lord, by the church, by the congregation. And this is my prayer, and this is my wish to all of you, particularly to the young aspirants. God bless you all.
Bat daki tuki khobor ngila poi shakabukut tat hadu banginde syambiang khoble shibon